everybody, I'm Tyler and I'm 13, and these are the carbon fiber AYAMAYA trekking poles. Let's pull them out of the bag. So this is my first time opening them, so this is what you can expect when they arrive. So you got your trekking poles, and then you got some accessories that I'll talk about later. So let's start at the top and go down. You got your nice cork handles, super comfortable, easy to grip. And then over here you got your strap. Really nice. It's got some sort of fleece lining here. Super soft. It doesn't bug your wrist.
Show us how that strap works. Like how do you actually put it on?
So you stick your hand through and then you can grab right there.
Okay. Now let me just look real quick. I thought I saw something here. Yeah, so this looks to be adjustable. So if you need that strap to be tighter, there's an adjusting mechanism there. You can pull it tighter or looser depending on your needs.
And then I'll talk about these a little bit later.
More accessories, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So those are just zip tied on just for shipping.
So right here, it's just an open area, super light carbon fiber. And then you have a clip that you can clip on to both of these.
So if you want to kind of keep them together while you're traveling or whatever, or while you're in transit.
Mm-hmm. Or you could just throw it. And then down here, we got quick flip clips. So they're really easily adjustable. So you put them to whatever you want your height to be, and then you clip them back on. And then this one, you open it, put it to whatever your height can be, and then you put it back. And something I really like is there's two of them. So if you're really short, you can only do one. Or if you're tall and you need a lot of them,
so
like
two adjusters.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can adjust this, and then you can adjust that too. Down here are our feet. Okay. So right now we got on the rubber feet. So you can change out the feet depending on whatever weather or climate you're in. So that's
hang on 1 second. Let me look at that. So you've also got the threads there too, right? Mm-hmm. So that's where it plays back into these additional accessories. So if you're going through the snow, for example, you want a wider one so you're not sinking your trekking pole into the snow every time. Or mud, right? Mm-hmm. So those just, I guess you would just pull this off. Show us how that works. Pull that off.
So for the rubber ones, you just pull them off.
And then screw it onto the threads. Perfect.
And then, so in the bag, the accessories, you got one that's foot-like.
Different types of feet for different terrains, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
So that makes for good grip.
Now, I believe these are also shock absorbent, right?
I'm pretty sure, yes.
So let's test that out just real quick.
Need to tighten this a little bit.
Yeah, these are all fully adjustable. So there may need to be some adjustments coming, you know, if you want to really crank down so that it's not going to slip around on you, but that's part of what makes it awesome. Let's see here real quick. Yep, so you can feel it's got that shock absorbing in there. Fantastic.
And then a lot like this one, you got another one kind of like it, but it's a smaller one.
Similar shape, just kind of more slim design, I guess.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then the last thing in here is some reflective tape. So if you were like in an urban environment or wanted more safety on the trail,
wow,
you could put those.
Like, I don't know what they call it, but like on a street hike, like if you're just on a long walk on a road, so you want to make sure you're visible from cars or other vehicles, that reflective tape, or even around the campsite sometimes.
Yeah.
You know, if a lot of people use your trekking poles.
And then they'll leave them leaning against a bench.
Well, yeah, or even I've seen people use them as part of their tarp setup. So, you know, if you're using this as a structural thing for your tarp or your tent, you know, ultralight tenters, ultralight campers, ultralight tents use these things too. You want to make sure it's visible so people aren't walking through it in the night. Very cool. Any other thoughts? Final thoughts?
Super, super light. Super easy to adjust. So just put it back less than 5 seconds.
Perfect.
Super easy.
Awesome. Thank you.